Hey, what up, you guys? So I want to share with you a small haul. I went to Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and I also went to the Dollar General. I picked up a handful of items. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. So I came across this super cute little bag. It's a clear little bag. It says make something with the yarn and a little tassel in gold, and it's super cute. So I haven't been sending out Happy Mail, and I figure I'll get started on that. And then I saw these little ball pins. What is it called? Head pins. Ball pins. Head ball pins. I can't read the screen here. But anyway, these are cool. I already got into one already, so your bees won't go through. Then I picked up this because I want to make my own pokey tools. Now, the black and white one I'm going to share with you right now is the one I made. Then the other one next to it is one that I got in a swap. I wanted to make more because I like it, and yeah. Then I saw by the Paper Studio this paper kit. It's like a farmhouse theme. I want to make this tissue box. I made one for myself for my home a few months ago when I first got this die. It's a KSCRAFT tissue box die. It's like a house die, super cute. I don't get to show you, but I get to show you the box, the tissue box right now. And I'm also going to put a tissue box inside of it, brand new one that I just picked up, and I'll show you how the tissue looks, how it comes out from the top of the roof. Super duper cute, you guys. If you want to see an assembly video, let me know, because I might do one, just because I haven't been sharing crafty related items or craft with me videos. So I figure I'll do that, and I'll make sure to leave this link down below. If I find it, I'll link it, so if you guys are interested, grab yourself one. And yeah, so that's what I picked up that one up for. And then I saw the land that I love, little napkins. I'm gonna make some cards. This was $1 from Dollar General, and yeah. And then I picked up this picture frame. Is $4. It's a 4x6 black picture frame. I really liked it. I picked up another one. I was supposed to pick up a 5x7, but I picked up a 4x6 again. So anyway, fine. Then in the clearance section from Michael's, I picked up this 6-inch cake pan with the higher sides. I have one already, but I needed another one. It was $5, so not bad. I also saw these super cute wood stamps. This is for you, from me to you with love. My screen is in the limited edition. My voiceover screen's in the way, so I couldn't read. I picked up 2 of these stickers. I'm trying to look for it. It's like farmhouse theme stickers. They were like $1. I'm looking for them, and I think I come across it in just a second. But I picked up 2 of those. I thought it was so cute. Like, look how cute. Yeah, so yeah, 15 pieces in those. Get the floral, the greenery, little lanterns, adorbs. Then the paper was on sale, so I found the clear vellum. Yes, I was so excited. So I picked up that. I'm going to share some with my mom Dukes. And we were in the section for like a hot minute trying to figure out what I wanted to get, what colors I needed. But I just got this one here. And this one has like the pink, the yellow, the blue, the orange, and like that teal color or aqua color, whatever. Then I saw this paper pad. Oh, look, there goes the stickers. And this one is so super cute. So it's it has the red, white, and blue theme, the plaid, the glitter. I love it. And I want to make some 4th of July cards and send them out early because I'm always late to everything. So I'm going to start on it now. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I'll check you guys on my next one.